Hi, I'm Natasha Jacobson. I teach in the Biosystems Engineering Department. I teach both our first year engineering design course as well as our final year engineering capstone design course. So Biosystems Engineering is this intersection between engineering and living systems. So our students have ended up in a variety of different careers, from agriculture, where we've seen our students building farm equipment or designing alternative protein sources, to the environmental sector, where we've seen our graduates end up diverting waste to alternative solutions and alternative designs, or finding ways of taking energy and using it in a new way. And finally, we've seen our students end up in the more medical industry, where we've seen our graduates develop rehabilitative devices for those with need, or work in clinical settings, so to making our hospitals more efficient. We've even seen our students end up becoming medical doctors, lawyers, because they have this really broad systems approach to highly technical problems. We do have 3 specializations in our program. You don't have to choose a specialization, but we've got our bioresource specialization, tends to gear more towards food engineering or agricultural engineering, our environmental specialization, as well as our biomedical specialization. Again, these specializations give you a little bit more information, a little bit more technical knowledge in that niche area, though you have the backing of that general technical curriculum that gives you a skill set that makes you successful anywhere. I would encourage you to consider biosystems engineering if you have that passion for sustainable engineering, meaning people, prosperity, and the planet. You have this desire to support a greater purpose, greater issues, that it's not just this tiny little piece of a puzzle. There are broader implications, and that's the skill set we really love to see in our biosystems engineers, is that ability to see beyond just the scope of that issue today and how its implications might affect greater communities or the environment. So if that sounds like you, we'd love to have you join our community here.